بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
لإيلاف قريش.
Since the Quraysh became accustomed
إيلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف.
accustomed to the journey of winter and summer,
فليعبدوا رب هذا البيت.
therefore let them worship the Lord of this house,
الذي أطعمهم من جوع وآمنهم من خوف.
who fed them against hunger and secured them against fear.